Hello, Sonic from Finale Inventory here. In this video, I will showcase how you can quickly and easily update fields in bulk using our new feature. This applies to the product, sales, and purchase order screens. Starting off with our products, I have a view showcasing my produce. I can easily update the fields for my produce all at once by selecting the boxes on the left here. Let's say I brought in all of my produce to be vegetables, but I want to update some of them to be fruits. After selecting the boxes, I can go to Update Selected Products here, add the category column, the one I want to change, and set that to be fruits. Now, if I want to add another column to update, I can select that here. Let's say I received confirmation that the incoming fruits will be organic. This is a custom field I set up for my produce, and I can also set the value for that here. Press Next, allow the system to update, and then we can see that these values are now updated. Heading over into our sales view, if I want to edit multiple fields for sales orders at once, I would select them using the checkbox on the left here. Go over into this Actions dropdown in the top right and hit Update Selected Sales. Let's say I want to update the customer for these sales and say they're going to DT City. I received word of what fulfillment they will be using, and I'll be updating that to USPS. And lastly, I want to credit the right salesperson towards these sales. This is a custom field I have created for my sales orders, and I want to credit these towards Linda. Select Next, confirm, and allow the system to update. Now I can see these orders are going to this customer, credited towards this salesperson, and going through this fulfillment. Here on the purchase order screen is where you can also update the fields in bulk. I have some open POs in my account, which I've selected using the checkbox. Hit the Actions drop-down here and select Update Selected Purchases. For these columns, let's say I now know the receipt date for these. I can set this to a date. Let's say we expect them next week. I also want to update our contact person here. This is a custom field I've created for my purchase orders, and I can also type in a free input text box for these. Let's say our contact is Mike Wazau. And lastly, the last column I want to update is this public notes, which is a standard free input text box we have. Let's say these are arriving at 8 a.m. PST. Hit next. And now we can see our contact public notes has updated along with the receive date. Previously, you could only update fields by going into the products page itself or by importing the values from a spreadsheet. Hopefully this will save you time and help make the system more intuitive to use. If you have any questions, please reach out to us by sending an email to our service directory here. Thank you. Have a great day.